Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come with me for a 2 days work trip. Since it was a 2 days work trip, I didn't have to do much packing. I just packed one trouser, two corporate tops, one shoe, and of course a pair of sandals because I have white feet. My flight was in the evening, so I tried to arrive early enough at the airport to ensure that I have enough time for the check-ins and all that. By the time I arrived my destination, it was about 9 p.m. and I was super exhausted. Quick apartment tour. To be honest, I don't really expect much from the hotels in this region because it's a small rural area in Victoria. The hotels here are quite decent, nothing flashy, and to be honest, I don't really mind. I just want a clean space where I can rest my head while I work. This is the bed. It has two beds. I laid a side table. Basically a very simple space. It's about 9 p.m. now. I just arrived. I'm really exhausted. I just need to have my shower and retire for the night. Tomorrow is going to be very busy. Tomorrow, basically, what I'll be doing is walking around the production site to see how things are physically being done. The project I'm working on requires the use of a new software in the production site. So to be able to plan better for change management, I need to see how things are being done physically. That way, my team and I can plan better in terms of change management and how things are going to work post go live. All right, see you tomorrow. Let me go and have a shower now, say my night prayer and sleep off. All right, peace out. See you tomorrow. Whenever I'm in a work trip like this, to be honest, I find it quite difficult to sleep. I guess I just prefer to sleep in my bed, Anyways, I did not sleep for much and I woke up quite early, had my shower and got ready for the day. Good morning guys. So this is day one, and like I said yesterday, basically what I'll be doing today is taking a tour around the production site and meeting with different stakeholders. I'm ready to go out now. See you guys later in the evening when I come back. Bye. Oh my goodness, I just came back now and just like I expected, today was super busy. I and some of my colleagues are having dinner with some stakeholders this evening. So I just quickly want to reply to one or two work emails, send some emails, and I will have a quick shower and get dressed for the dinner with the stakeholders. It's about past 6 p.m. now and I'll just head out quickly for the dinner and I should be back at about say 8 p.m. because I need to rest and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is also gonna be a very long day as well. All right, see you soon. Bye.
Sorry, that was
Yep, not a problem.
Oh my goodness, I am exhausted. Like, I just came back now. It's, let me see, what's the time? It's about 9 p.m. The dinner took longer than expected, but it was really nice. Get to build that connection around the project. Tomorrow is going to be an early morning start for me, so I just need to have my shower and go to bed. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye. After having my shower, I did not go to bed immediately because I needed to practice a little bit more for the presentation I'll be having tomorrow. As a project manager, presentation is like a daily bread. Like, you'll be doing lots of presentation, and one of the key to a successful presentation is to always practice. No matter how much you know the project or whatever you're talking about, a key to every successful presentation is take the time to practice 1 or 2 times, and your presentations will always come out great. Anyways, I quickly did practice my presentation and then said my prayers, went to bed. I did not sleep for much again. I just woke up quite early and, got ready for the day. Guys, tell me why on earth I forgot to carry a vest for this top. There was no way I was going to wear this for my presentation. So I had to improvise by wearing the top that I wore on the first day when I flew in. I'll be having a presentation to the stakeholders on the project I'm working on. Wish me luck. So basically today, after the presentation I'm going to be having this morning, I would have some more meetings with different stakeholders, and then I'll just head straight to the airport to go back home. Before I'll get home, it will be like around 10 p.m. and then I have another meeting tomorrow in the morning. So it's quite, being a project manager, it can be quite hectic, but overall I love what I do. I love my job. I love the process of starting a project, and after like 6 months, 1 year, you get to deliver on a solution, and you see how all your months of hard work has paid off. So it's just like you are, birthing a child, and at the end you see your little baby. I'm going to head out now. I will see you guys again when I'm at the airport and on my way back home. The presentation went well. I also got to complete the tour at the production site because I could not finish the tour the previous day, and immediately after my last meeting I headed to the airport. That's my stressful phase there. But it was quite a productive trip. I got home late in the evening as well, and also exhausted. Thank you guys for watching. If you've enjoyed this work travel vlog, you will definitely enjoy this other vlog that is going to pop up in your screen now. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you and love you. Bye.